Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy at your home. Today's our offline class is about the phylum Chordata. Chordata is the plural form of chorda or chord. Chordata in Greek means notochord. So the chordata means animals with notochord. Notochord is a thin, flexible string. The name chordata is attributed to William Batson 1885. The term chordata was coined by Balfour 1880. Animals belonging to this phylum, that is chordata, possess four diagnostic characteristics either in the embryonic or adult stage. These four diagnostic characteristics include notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, gill slits, and post-anal tail. There are several other characteristics of this very phylum as well. Now, the first characteristic, notochord. Notochord is a solid, unjointed, stiff but flexible rod-like structure situated on the dorsal side between dorsal hollow nerve cord and alimentary canal. Being dorsal, notochord is also called chorda dorsalis. Notochord is present either in embryonic stage or embryo stage only, or it is present throughout the life. In higher chordates, it gives rise to axial endoskeleton of cranium and vertebral column. Second characteristic, dorsal hollow nerve cord. A non-ganglionated hollow and tubular nerve cord occurs mid-dorsally above the notochord. In most chordates, it gets differentiated into central nervous system of brain and spinal cord. Third characteristic, pharyngeal gill slits. All the chordates have, at some stage of life, a series of paired narrow openings on the lateral sides of the pharynx, which are called the gill slits. Gill slits take part in respiration and feeding. These gill slits remain functional throughout life in fishes and some amphibians. In other chordates, most amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, gill slits occur only in the embryonic stage. Now the tail. Tail is the post-anal part of the body which is reduced or absent in many adult chordates. In most chordates, tail occurs in the embryonic stage. Tail helps in balancing in majority of the chordates. Tail provides protection to genital and anal region. Tail is prehensile in several cases. Prehensile means adapted to be able to grasp or hold objects. Now the symmetry. Chordates are bilaterally symmetrical or they possess bilateral symmetry. Body plan. Chordates have a tube within a tube body plan. Level of organization. Chordates have organ system level of organization. Germ layers. Chordates are triploblastic with three germ layers or germinal layers. Phylum. Chordates have a true phylum, or we can say a true phylum is present in them. Phylum form abdominal cavity around abdominal viscera, pleural cavity around the lungs, and pericardial cavity around the heart. Digestive tract. Chordates have a complete digestive tract internal with internal digestive glands and two external glands of pancreas and liver. Respiratory system. Respiratory system of chordates either consists of gills or lungs. Gaseous exchange also takes place through general surface, cutaneous respiration, and bucopharyngeal or buccopharyngeal surface. Now the circulatory system. Chordates usually have a closed circulatory system. This circulatory system consists of 2 to 4 chambered ventral heart, arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood does not come in direct contact with the body cells. Blood is reddish in color. Hemoglobin is present in RBCs. Excretory system. Excretory tubules get aggregated to form a pair of kidneys in chordates. Kidneys take part in the excretion of nitrogenous wastes from the blood. These nitrogenous wastes get passed out as urine directly or through a urinary bladder. Now the skeleton. Endoskeleton derived from notochord is present in chordates. It is living and made up of either cartilage, bone, or both. Exoskeleton is also present in chordates. In most cases, exoskeleton is in the form of hair, scales, feathers, horns, nails, claws, etc. Now, the reproduction. Sexes are commonly separate. Gonads have gonoducts. Asexual reproduction is usually absent. Fertilization is external, internal. Development is indirect and direct. Phylum Chordata is divided into three subphyla. These three subphyla include Urochordata or Tunicata, number 2 Cephalochordata, and number 3 Vertebrata or Craniata. Subphylum Urochordata and Cephalochordata together constitute Protochordata and are exclusively marine. Subphylum Urochordata. Euros in Greek means tail and chordata notochord. He was Lamarck in 1816 who coined Urochordata. Subphylum Urochordata, also called Tunicata, because the adult body is enclosed within a leathery test or tunic formed of tunicin. Tunicin is actually a cellulose-like organic substance. Urochordates, the adults, are generally sedentary. Notochord is only present in the tail of larva and disappears in the adult. Dorsal tubular nerve cord is found in the larva and is replaced by a dorsal ganglion in the adult. Pharynx is perforated by numerous apertures called stigmata formed by the lateral gill slits. Larva, a tadpole, is motile and undergoes retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis means the change from better developed larva to less developed larva. Circulatory system in urochordates is open. Excretion is by neural gland. Examples of urochordata or tunicata are herdmania or sea skirt, ascidia or acidia, sulfa, malgula, pyrosoma. Herdmania has valveless heart, blood is green due to vanadium. The rest two subphylums will be in the next class.